Hello everyone. Today we are going to start Hornbill, a book for prose and poetry of class 11th. The first topic which we are going to start today is The Portrait of a Lady, written by Khushwant Singh. The Portrait of a Lady is a pen picture of the grandmother of Khushwant Singh. Here, Khushwant Singh himself is the narrator of the story. He is narrating the story himself and describing everything of his old grandmother. The story starts with the description of his old grandmother, who is a little grand and short fat lady. She was always slightly bent because of her old age. In the beginning of this story, we are shown that how when Khushwant Singh's parent, mother, father, went to settle in city and they left Khushwant Singh with his grandmother at village. Now, what is being shown here? Grandmother of Khushwant Singh looks after him, provide him everything he need, and satisfy him in every possible way. As a mother does, she all the time doing with Khushwant Singh. Means very early in the morning, he gets up, he is being prepared to go to school, given lunch box. Even his grandmother carry away him to the school, and this was the schedule of his grandmother. One day, while being in the house of his own, he was thinking about his grandmother and about his grandfather, whom he had not seen. One picture of his grandfather is hang in the wall of the room where he lives. Now we have seen that in what way he was very much attached to his grandmother. His early life he spent with his grandmother, how lovable lady she was, how friendly she was, looking every matter of this young boy Khushwant Singh and leaving great impact of her own. She was a very religious lady. All the time she was having a prayer, all the time praying without speaking words. In muttering sense, she was speaking all the time some certain prayer of God. Even she is having a mala in her hand and all the time remembering God, doing whatever she is doing. So, we have seen that a great impact of the grandmother of Khushwant Singh is on the behavior and character of Khushwant Singh. Yes, throughout, in what way, as our grandmothers are, in what way she is doing everything for this Khushwant Singh, and in what way Khushwant Singh was very much impressed with the grandmother. But after a few years, when everything was settled in city, the parent of Khushwant Singh carried away him and his grandmother in the city where they were living together. There also the same thing she was being done for Khushwant Singh, letting him, preparing him, carrying away him to the school, and in this way the time is passing. Till more than 20 years this was going on. After his college, when he was going to abroad for higher education for 5 years, his grandmother came to railway station to say him goodbye. And after 5 years, we are seeing that after 5 years, when Khushwant Singh returns, he finds his grandmother in the same condition, in the same way, doing everything for him, living for him all the time. And when he returned, in 1 or 2 days, he found a certain change in the behavior of his grandmother. And one evening, he found that she was not in so active condition as she was earlier. And next morning, she fell ill, and while muttering some certain prayer, she died. Now the funeral activities were done, and the story closes with this, with the death of the grandmother of Kutswant Singh. So, dear students, this is the description of this story, the portrayal of a lady. You will read the whole story and you will find that Kushwant Singh has drawn a word picture of his grandmother. It's very touching, it's very elaborately describing the connection of a grandmother and a grandson. That's all. Read the whole story and find out the answers. It's okay.